Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply G6 filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To apply G6 filter you have to go here, filter, and at the bottom you'll see this filters. Slide right until you find G6. Yeah, this is the G6 filter and that's it. You can apply G6 filter before recording the video, or you can apply G6 filter once you record the video. So this one I applied before recording the video. Okay, suppose let's go back again. Suppose we have F1 and we recorded a video in F1. Let's record a video. Okay, so this video is with F1. To apply G6 filter on it, we have to tap on the filter button on the top right corner of the screen, and again you will see these filters. Now slide until you find G6. Okay, and that's it. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get G6 filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.